Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Lately, I'm thinking of something which would be helpful in growing my channel. Good thing is that I'm going to convert my channel to a bilingual one. That I'm going to start my blogging both in English and Manipuri because most of my friends in general which are out of Manipur or which are from other states and there is a communication gap between us and they don't understand what I speak in my vlogs. So just considering about them, I'm going to start vlogging in English. And the reason why I don't live Manipuri is that, as you all know, I belong to Manipur, and promoting my own culture, identity and language is uh, one of a very little thing which I could contribute to my people and to my state. So let's start blogging both in Manipuri and English. So in today's blog, I'm going to have a haircut. As you all know, my hair is very messy and very frizzy right now. So I'll go to one of the parlor which is near to me, and I think their parlor is good. Okay, let's go and check out their parlor and see how my look changes. Kalenda Delhi da laitri ko mayam na hai ba dadi yam sai hai khangwa ai do andak sida yeng oi kamai tawni saba hore humang na siri kangba hore parlor sungkham do sigi get sida sangdoi ni sangne ini moi mayangi atai haja mayam lebe ko ada kakpado noi da bai tare yam mot pa laina tina palak ka da ma leba adagi sida moi sida ya bring to ni we see impression by delhiuniversity salon sango ge yang is मेरा YouTube चैनल है, इसके लिए वीडियो बनाने के लिए 좀 pura kakpa deba kitang siya move nila friend ay jara kaya to pwede post tayo mga ay kada mo sila si mayam ito sao đi no paano ko siya sa patal liyo like para ka pasan liyo okay, see you in the next video. Bye.